What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so stoked. Finally, after like 10 months, the rims are done. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I got them back. They're all rebuilt. They're all awesome. We've got some brand new lug nuts here because obviously if you're gonna do expensive wheels, like fresh nuts, either way. So we got them. Got the center caps are all done. Had a video on redoing those. Yeah, wheels are done. Unfortunately, they got scratched getting the tires put on. Great, as every time. Every tire place scratches them. So I'm gonna give them a little quick polish. I'm not gonna show you guys like me jacking up the car because you've seen it a million times before. I'm gonna jack it up, chuck them on, put it down, and show you guys what the final result is. Now, this whole video is gonna be a whole process of getting it done. It has literally been like 10 months. So it's probably just gonna be a whole bunch of like clips showing you things, like splitting the wheels, how to rebuild them, things like that, because VSKFs are very specific, kinda, right? So because the hardware doesn't go all the way around the outside, there's like gaps in each bit where the spokes are, they have to weld them. So they're a 3-piece welded into a 2-piece. So to get this all done, you have to actually go and machine that weld out to be able to change the lips over. A lot of places were like, no, I won't do it. Found a place, all good, Dragway, Legends, they did it. Sandblasted the centers down in, can't remember what it was, and then GB powder coating did the powder coating of the centers. Super stoked with that, came up just like factory. So enjoy the video, guys, and you'll see the car at the end. All right, so we got one of the rears, the 2 new lips, and then we've got the other rear and the 2 fronts. Let's get these to Dragway.
All right, so first up we had to take all the centers out of all 4 wheels so that we can machine the lip and the barrel apart on the lathe. But just before we take it over to the lathe, we're gonna get a whizzy disc, go over and just clean up any burrs that have been put on the wheels from previous tire fitting. And now we are on the lathe and we're just getting it to run true. It's going to be a very intricate cut going through this weld, so we need to make sure that it's not pushing, obviously cutting deeper on one side than the other. You want it to be cutting nice and evenly the whole way around. And then as soon as it's running true, we'll get that cutting fitting on and start actually making the cut into the weld. And here we are straight into cutting now. This is going in ever so slightly, increment by increment, to slowly take more and more of the weld away. And then once we've got it thin enough, and I guess you could say weak enough, a little love tap with a hammer and it will split the lip off of the barrel. Now we're just going to machine up that face so it can marry up to the new lip nice and perfectly. Now we're going to put the centers back in to line it all up. And now onto their homemade welding machine. So this is like a welder on a rig so that it will turn it at a perfect speed and weld it at the exact same speed, exact same distance for the whole time, which is what you need. So they're just cleaning up at the moment, and then we're going to get onto the welding of all 4 wheels. Now I know this is off topic, but I found this hidden out the back under a tarp. They actually own this and it sounds incredible, so I had to show you guys. All right, now we're just heating up the lip and barrel assembly so that we can slide the spokes straight back into the middle. And liquor sealant, and we are done.
Guys, that was the best wait for 10 months I've ever done for anything. I am ecstatic. I'm stoked with the wheels, I'm stoked with the fitment, everything. I'm just over the moon. I'm genuinely on cloud 9 right now. I have always wanted this car, this color, this engine, this gearbox, these wheels, this fitment, everything. I can't even put it into words how happy I am. Now guys, if you've liked this, if you enjoyed it, hit like, hit subscribe. Now guys, just a side note, I have set up a Patreon for the channel. There's like 3 tiers. Tier 1's just like $4 a month. If you want to help out the builds, if you want to support the channel, sweet, thank you so much. That'd be awesome. If you don't worry about it. Like, I've just put it there as an option for people if they want to. Option 2 is $10 a month, and you actually get a link to the private Discord. That Discord is for all your questions, all your queries, you want to chat, you want any of that stuff, because I'm getting kind of inundated with messages and it's taking up a lot of content time, personal time, things like that. So if you want to ask me a whole bunch of questions, I am more than happy to help. Keep in mind, when people ask me questions, if I don't know the answer, I will actually spend the 20, 30, 40 minutes researching, getting part numbers, getting all that kind of stuff for you guys so that I can actually give you the value back. So it's not just me being like, oh yeah, nah, give me $10. And again, completely up to you guys. If you don't want to do it, that is fine. And the third tier is $250 a month, but it is kind of mainly for like, if someone wants to have a sponsored video every month, because that's kind of like the realm of that. So again, I don't expect anyone to do it. Or if there's just some like rich person out there that wants to just like lash me cash, like go for it, that's an option. But yeah, I don't expect anyone's gonna do that, but it's there if you want it. All right guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you want to hang around for this, the Crown, the E46, the fitness vlogs, the travel vlogs, keep in mind we're going to Europe and America soon, so there's going to be a lot of that. If you want to see that stuff, if you like my vibe, if you want to be around here a bit longer, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.